Welcome to this new video of the Work Wise series. This is our exploration of the human skills that stand tall in the age of artificial intelligence. As AI continues to advance, the question isn't just about the jobs it will replace but also about the skills it cannot replicate. Today, we dive into the heart of what makes us uniquely human, highlighting skills that AI and automation cannot replace and offering guidance on how we can develop and enhance these skills to thrive in the future. The path forward, intertwined with AI and automation, demands not only coexistence but a renaissance of human skills and ingenuity. By recognizing and nurturing the capacities that define our humanity, we not only secure our relevance in the workforce but also enrich the tapestry of human experience. This journey towards enhancing our irreplaceable skills is not merely a defensive measure against obsolescence but a proactive strategy to elevate the human condition in the age of machines. Thus, we invite you on this exploration, not as passive observers but as active participants in defining the future. It is a future where technology serves to augment the human experience, where our innate abilities are not overshadowed but spotlighted, offering insight, meaning, and value in an increasingly automated world. In embracing our unique human capabilities, we find our strength, ensuring that as society advances, it does so with humanity at its core. We start with resilience. It is the ability to bounce back from setbacks and challenges. It is a deeply human trait. In an unpredictable world, emotional coping skills enable us to face adversity with grace and strength. While AI can predict risks and offer solutions, it cannot replicate the human capacity for hope, optimism, and perseverance. Building resilience involves adopting a positive but realistic outlook, seeking support from others, and finding meaning in the face of difficulty. Emotional intelligence, or EQ, encompasses our ability to understand, empathize, and connect with others on an emotional level. Unlike AI, humans possess the nuanced ability to read emotional cues, understand complex emotional landscapes, and respond with empathy and compassion. Developing EQ involves practicing active listening, mindfulness, and empathetic communication, skills that are crucial in leadership, teamwork, and building meaningful relationships. Creativity and innovation lie at the core of human ingenuity, driving us to explore, invent, and create new solutions to complex problems. While AI can mimic certain patterns of creativity, the boundless imagination and innovative thinking unique to the human mind are irreplaceable. Cultivating creativity involves curiosity, open-mindedness, and the willingness to embrace uncertainty and risks. Engaging in diverse experiences and interdisciplinary learning can spark innovative ideas and creative breakthroughs. Negotiation and persuasion are art forms that require understanding human psychology, emotions, and motivations. These skills are critical in everything from business deals to personal relationships. AI can analyze data and trends, but the subtle art of persuasion, the ability to argue convincingly and sway opinions, is uniquely human. To improve these skills, practice active listening, empathy, and the ability to articulate your ideas clearly and compellingly. Critical thinking and problem solving are quintessentially human skills that involve analyzing information, evaluating alternatives, and making reasoned decisions. While AI can process data and suggest solutions based on patterns, it lacks the human capacity for deep understanding, and the ability to navigate complex social and emotional contexts. Strengthening these skills requires practice in analytical thinking, questioning assumptions, and approaching problems with a strategic mindset. Entrepreneurship is the engine of innovation, driven by individuals who see opportunities where others see obstacles. The entrepreneurial spirit, a blend of initiative, resilience, and a willingness to take risks, is something AI cannot emulate. Cultivating this mindset involves embracing failure as a learning opportunity, seeking out mentors, and staying committed to your vision even in the face of challenges. Effective communication goes beyond the mere exchange of information. It's about conveying ideas clearly, persuading, and listening actively. In an era dominated by digital communication, the human touch in conveying tone, emotion, and intent is irreplaceable. Enhancing communication skills in today's world involves mastering various platforms, from in-person to digital, and understanding the nuances of each to connect genuinely and effectively with your audience. True leadership and the ability to articulate a strategic vision involve inspiring others, making tough decisions, and guiding teams toward a common goal. These skills are deeply rooted in human intuition, empathy, and the ability to motivate and unite people. Developing leadership qualities involves self-reflection, learning from mentors, and gaining experience in diverse roles that challenge you to lead by example and drive positive change. Art and music tap into the deepest parts of the human experience, expressing what words cannot. While AI can create art and music based on algorithms, it lacks the ability to infuse creations with genuine emotion and meaning. The human capacity for artistic and musical creativity is boundless, driven by emotion, experience, and personal insight. Cultivating these skills can be as simple as engaging regularly in creative activities, exploring different mediums and styles, and allowing your unique perspective to shine through. Project management is not just about timelines and deliverables. It's about leading teams, making strategic decisions, and adapting to change. While AI tools can assist with efficiency and logistics, the human skills of vision setting, motivation, and conflict resolution drive projects to success. To hone these skills, focus on setting clear goals, prioritizing tasks, and fostering a collaborative team environment where everyone feels valued and motivated. In a world where technology can outpace moral and ethical development, ethical leadership becomes paramount. Leaders must navigate complex moral landscapes and make decisions that affect people's lives and the planet. This requires a deep moral compass that AI lacks. Ethical leaders are those who act with integrity, consider the broader impact of their decisions, and inspire others to do the same. Developing this skill set involves continuous learning, self-reflection, and a commitment to doing what is right over what is easy. As we navigate the complexities of an AI-driven world, it's clear that the most powerful asset we possess is our humanity. The skills we've explored today are the keys to thriving in the future. By investing in these uniquely human skills, we ensure not just our relevance but our ability to lead meaningful, fulfilled lives. Let's embrace the challenge, cultivate our human skills, and build a future where technology amplifies, not replaces, the best of who we are. Thank you for joining this journey to discover the irreplaceable power of human skills in an age of artificial intelligence.